So I've been looking for ways to mass coordinate a whole bunch of kites to create unified lift on lines, and there seem to be a couple of ways to go about doing this and making it work, and they seem to complement each other. Usually, you've got like a 3 point curve device, like some of the sails that we've seen in AWE already, like spinnaker kind of forms. You've also got your standard sort of surf kite forms, so you can run these on ground circles, say, and have everything on the ground, hold it all from the ground, kind of like this one here. Now I'd like to give a shout to Code IT for this definition here. You can see how this one runs. You've got these three different grids running over a form. Now, if on these we had, say, a kite set where you've got let's have the brown on the left, the white on the right, and the red at the back. That repeats brown, white, red. There's a brown, white, red, and brown, white, red. So you could have multiple 3 point kites fit across this. You'd have one there, brown, white, red. Now, assuming you pulled the mesh levels, you see how they're separated there. I'll just give that a wee wiggle so you can see that moving. So those levels, you could pull this brown mesh to the left, you could pull it to the right, you could pull it back forward. Given the difference of how each kite would be right hand tied onto the one part, onto the browns, say, you could pull all the rights to the right, or pull them to the left, and change the dynamic of every kite on that mesh. Now over here, what you'd have to do is you'd have to collect your bridling so that each right hand bridle would be either affected along this line, along the catenary that it's sat on this ones that have just gone green, or you'd collect them into bunches, sort of whipple tree them down into the points, and you'd probably run sidelines down here as well to contain the whole set a wee bit more neatly, as we've done other previous Mothra definitions. So yeah, control across arrays two different ways.